Hi, my name is Ying from Stouch Auto Mechanical. Today we're going to show you how to remove the headlight assembly for the old school vehicles. What we need to do is remove the side indicator on both sides, left hand and right hand. And then we do need to remove all this grill out on the front in order to get to the screw behind it for the headlights. I got the headlights out. For what we call old school headlights, because they're all seals. I mean, all you had is to connect that. You couldn't really just get the bolt. So it's just a whole. When the bolt is blown, it's just the whole assembly need to get replaced. Not like modern one. The modern vehicles, you actually have the bolts at behind, so you can just either they actually have a click to hold it, or you can twist it off. You can just replace the bolt. So this is the new headlight unit. So before we fit it, we do need to make sure the headlight is not cracked, just because they should be all sealed up. If there's a crack, your moisture will get into the light, and then it will be like this. There's a water in there with like an old one, and just blow the bulb in there. So just to make sure everything is all sealed up before we put it in. This is how you replace your old school headlight assembly. If you guys have any questions, just give us a call on Stouch Auto Mechanical. Thank you.